all you need for your mustard fried croaker is your Croaker House of Ouchie seafood mix and mustard. Here we go. Alright, last piece. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, these are the first two finished pieces. Mustard fried croaker. Okay, everyone, this is my finished plate. Baked beans, mustard on the side. I like to dip my fish in mustard. And mustard fried croaker. I hope everyone has a most wonderful meal, and I hope everyone has a most wonderful week. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.